So in this video, I'm just going to talk about one trick that I've noticed works very well with trading robots. Many people ask me about why is the robot making money today, tomorrow it's not making money, the next day it's making money, the next day it's not making money. Here's the reason, guys. Um, we must face the fact that your robot is not going to work in every and any condition because it's based on a strategy. It's based on certain parameters. No strategy, no strategy on earth works in all condition, in all what? In all environments. You only need to find the perfect environment for your particular trading strategy or your robot. That's why that makes a successful trading strategy or a successful trading robot. What am I saying? Now, you find that your robot probably trades moving average crosses, and there are probably going to be instances. Let's just drop down to the hourly or another lower time frame. Um, okay, yes, your robot probably trades moving average crosses. Trust me, you'll find that your robot will make money in this condition. When the moving average cross happens somewhere here and the market just drops, I promise you that robot will make a lot of money. But if the robot encounters a situation like this where the market is moving sideways and here the moving averages crosses are also happening here, that robot is going to what? To be losing money with the stop losses and maybe with bad trades. So what does this all mean? What do I mean by this? Here's what has worked for me. It's worked for me with regards to Forex robots. What you want to do before you plug your robot is have an idea of where the market is going for that day. That's first thing. Have an idea of where the market is heading for that day. Is it going up or is it going down? You do your analysis whether you are on the daily or you do analysis on the weekly, whatever, on the higher time frame. The overall trend, where is the market going? Now, after doing that, you have an idea of where the market, whether it's selling or whether it's buying. I promise you, with that knowledge, it's now easier to trade with a robot. If the market is going to be selling, whether you predict it for that the next coming days or the next coming month, in the market is going to be selling, or whether it's just for one day or whether it's just for a few hours. Now, what you want to do is, instead of letting the robot trade both ways. Let's see if I can find something. Okay, let's just drag one of these robots onto here as an example. It's just an example. Now, let's say you have analyzed your what? You've analyzed your Euro USD. This is now Euro USD, and you notice that the euro is just dropping. What you want to do when you come with your robot here, where this is actually MetaTrader 4, but you can basically apply the same rules for MetaTrader 5. What you want to do is you want the robot to only sell. Why would you let the robot buy in a downward moving market? Even if the robot sells at a bad position in a down moving market, eventually that trade is going to be positive, if it makes sense. Let's say, let me just close this. Let's say the robot makes a sell here. Eventually, because the overall market is what? Falling. Of course, you're going to feel this pain. You're going to feel the pain of the drawdown if you don't use stop losses. You're going to feel the pain of a drawdown. If you use stop losses, fine, you're going to just lose that one trade. But the next positive trade that's going to happen is going to recover that bad trade. Trust me. So that's what you want to do. You want to get onto your charts, whether you're using daily time frame, you are using weekly time frame, whatever higher time frame that you are comfortable with. Find the direction of the market. Take your robot. This is channel safer. I don't know what it does. Is that a robot? No, it's not working. Then you come and you tell the robot to only do one thing. Buying long and short is usually a recipe for disaster. You usually get caught out on the wrong side of the market if you just let the robot do everything by itself. There is no robot that's going to be working in all conditions, in all environments, because the robots are designed using certain strategies, and no strategy works all the time in all market conditions. So that's one trick that you want to use with your robots. Whether you are going to trade with that robot on the lower time frame, 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, or whatever time frame you are using, but you need to get an understanding of the overall trend on the daily, weekly, or the 4 hourly, whatever rocks your boat. Then you tell the robot just to follow the direction of that trend. If you are an expert in actually predicting trends for a whole week or a whole month, then it actually makes the job for you very easy. If you just predict that the market is going to be buying this month, then it's going to be easy for you because you're just going to tell the robot to only place buys. Why would you want to sell? Why would you want the robot to be selling in a buying market? Why would you want the robot to be buying in a selling market? And that's one trick that's going to help you turn your robot into a more profitable tool for you. I hope this video helps somebody. Somebody asked me about this and I decided let me make a video about it. Don't just give your robot into every and any market condition. Your robot is a strategy. It's based on a strategy. No strategy works 100% of the time in every and any market condition. Every strategy is going to work perfect in some situations and it's going to perform badly in some situations. You're going to be a bad trader if you don't know when to use your strategy. You need to use your strategy when these conditions are suited for your strategy and for you. Same deal with robots. Like this video, subscribe. If you're not yet subscribed, I'll see you in the next video, guys. Later. Bye.